Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Viral Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of viralstocks.io, and today we're going to be discussing BHAT, BNTC, HRTX, LWLG, MREO, MSPR, MULN, REV, and VXRT. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Viral Stocks and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at viralstocks.io/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Overall, not too much to get too excited about when it comes to penny stocks on the NASDAQ and NYSE. We had one alert for our subscribers, 25% overnight. These are the types of plays we look for, these overnight trades. We're not really looking for day trades. We're looking for things that you guys can buy and then capture a nice move overnight or over a couple of days. So make sure you go to viralstocks.io/sign up. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, 1+ area code and number. And what we do here at Viral Stocks is we scan the markets every morning looking for low float, low market cap plays on the NASDAQ and NYSE that, will generate you double-digit returns. I mean, in past markets, we were getting triple digits. Right now, you got to take what you can get. So, a 25% gain for the week is a win, one alert. So it's like we look for the best setups and we do all the work so you don't have to. And the best part is we are a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. A few big runners, though, this week was BHAT. Just a 4.13 million share float, another low market cap, just $14 million market cap, up 102% on the week. They put out an announcement on the 22nd after the close. They had terminated their previously proposed shelf takedown offerings. So, whenever offerings get pulled, that's always a positive for a stock. Next up is BNTC. This is just 7.36 million share float, $9 million market cap. The stock opened at 74 cents. That was the low of the day, ran all the way to $1.90 before closing at $1.22. Ran into all this resistance, this trend line resistance here. For those of you that are not familiar on how to draw trend lines, FinViz is a great resource. Best part is that it is free. The stock rallied. There was no news, so we saw this one bidding up in the early morning, pre-market with no news. We didn't like it, so that's why we didn't send out an alert on BNTC. Next up is HRTX. This is a biotech company with 51% of the float short. Trendline support here held. We're breaking out here through this trend line here, with 51% of the float short. This one still has more room to run. They're really getting ready to squeeze the short, up 30% on the week, and this one has been really beaten down, so there could be a lot of profit taking. If the shorts start getting squeezed, they'll just throw in the towel, cover, and then push the stock higher, and that's what we're looking for this week. Next up is LWLG. This one, 16% of the float is short. This is an OTC stock, graduated to the NASDAQ. Caresdale Capital was out with a short and distort report. 16% of the float is short, and Caresdale Capital, they're just like Hindenburg. They come out with these short and distort reports. It's all about them profiting off of the report at the expense of shareholders. But look at LWLG. It is holding. It is bouncing off the lows. So, people are realizing what the Caresdale Capital did, and they got an opportunity to buy the dip. So they're coming in, buying this dip, and LWLG, they got a lot of patents. There's a lot to like with this company, so stay tuned for more on LWLG. MREO, activists are all over this one. The stock's up 222% this month. They are looking to boost shareholder value. This is when the news happened. It gapped up. We didn't like this gap. It's consolidating right here. If we close it above $1.80, this one could get going more. But if it breaks down below $1.20, it'll go lower. Still watching this one. Like I said, it's building, it's consolidating here nicely. Let's see what the next move is on MREO. Next up is MSPR. This is a busted SPAC. At one point, the CEO, John Ruiz, he was worth like $30 billion based on the valuation of MSPR. This is why the shorts came in and attacked it. 44% of the float is short. John is the majority shareholder. There's just 1.76 million shares in the float. This one here, if they put out some big news, some positive analyst coverage, we could really see the shorts scrambling and start a major squeeze. There's a big gap to fill between $6 and $9. So this one, put it on your radar screen. MSPR could be a major squeeze in the making. Next up, guys, is Mullen, MULN, put out really a great update. I mean, this company just has a lot going on. Recent highlights, there's solid-state polymer battery cell was successfully tested. They delivered its first EV van under a pilot program. They're going to be expected to join the Russell 2000 and 3000 indexes this week. They reached a settlement, reached an agreement to secure $275 million in additional funding. Again, this is that will go a long way in achieving its goals. They have a partnership with LGG. It's on track. They're retrofitting their existing facility in Monrovia, California. They're doing their national test drive tour event. It's scheduled for the fall this year. And the development of the Mullen 5 RS, high performance of the Mullen 5 EV crossover that has commenced and will be joining the Mullen 5 test drive tour in early 2023. So there's a lot to like with this one, with Mullen. This one, there's a lot of shorts all over this one. Hindenburg's been attacking it. We just get some more news, and this one is off and running. Can be a major squeeze in the making. So again, like I said, here at Viral Stocks, we like low floats, low market caps, and short squeeze plays. And that's what we specialize in here. And like I said, we do all the screens, we do all the work so that you don't have to. Go and sign up at viralstocks.io and any of the pop-up boxes, or viralstocks.io/sign up. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. And as I said earlier, best part is we run a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. Next up is Revlon, REV. I know a lot of you guys are excited about this short squeeze plays. This is strictly a trader. The company is in bankruptcy. The creditors, there's too much debt. They're going to own all the entire company. Shareholders will get wiped out. I cannot stress that enough. Shareholders will get wiped out. Trade it, don't own it. Okay, but just trying to keep things real with you here at viralstocks.io. Lastly, VXRT. This is VXRT. This is instead of getting a vaccine shot, their technology is pill form, so oral vaccines. 18% of the float is short. There's a lot to like with VXRT. I mean, even last year, just in December, Jefferies was out with a buy rating, $12 price target. this one's gotten beaten down, with the overall market. But, this got some great technology, growing biotech. There's a lot to like with VXRT. And we see this one here. I mean, it's got trendline resistance at $4. We close above $4, and this one's going to start making a run. So, this one was $10 last year. There's a lot to like with VXRT, a lot of room, ground to make up in terms of stock performance. So again, VXRT is one to put on your radar screen. With that being said, I'm going to be looking at the markets every morning for our subscribers. Like I said, we're looking for these catalysts, low floats. We got a lot of stocks on our radar, just waiting for the right, catalysts. And then we send out an alert via email and mobile number. This way you get a link with the ticker symbol and a link to our full report that you can do your due diligence. We send it all at the opening bell. We know Robinhood cannot trade pre-market. Webull can, which we want to keep things fair for all of our subscribers that cannot trade pre-market. So everyone gets to look at it at the opening bell. All right, guys, I want to wish everyone a great weekend and stay tuned for here at Viral Stocks for more updates. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.